What's up, hustlers? Welcome back to Online Hustle Hub, the podcast where we break down the digital gold rush, turning your Wi-Fi into a wealth machine. I'm Alex, your resident dreamer turned doer. And today we're diving deep into how to make money online. Whether you're a 9-to-5 escapee or just hunting side cash, we've got the blueprint.
Absolutely, Alex. And joining me as always is the one who keeps me grounded. That's you, folks. Jordan here, the spreadsheet wizard who turns ideas into invoices. We've got real talk today. No fluff, just actionable steps. Plus, a quick shout out to what keeps us sharp in this grind. More on that later. Let's jump in. If you're watching on YouTube, smash that like button and subscribe for weekly wins.
Boom. First question for you, Jordan. What's the biggest myth about online money making?
That it's a get-rich-quick scheme. Nah, it's a marathon with sprints. But stick with us. We'll map the route.
All right, let's start simple. Jordan, walk us through freelancing. I've seen folks go from zero to hero on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr.
Spot on. Freelancing is your gateway drug to online income. Low barrier, high reward. If you've got skills like writing, graphic design, or even virtual assisting, you're golden. Step 1. Build a profile that screams pro. Use a killer headshot. List your wins with metrics. Wrote 50 blog posts that drove 10K traffic. Not just, I like writing.
Love that. And pricing? Don't undervalue yourself. Start at $20.50 divided by hour. Scale up as reviews roll in. I know a buddy who started editing videos for TikTokers and now pulls $5K divided by month. Pro tip: niche down. Instead of writer, say SEO copywriter for e-com brands. Boom. You're the expert.
Exactly. Tools, free ones like Canva for designs, Grammarly for polish, and track everything in a Google Sheet, gigs, earnings, client feedback. Aim for 5 to 10 proposals a day. In week 1, you could land your first $100 gig. Scale to full-time. Stack 20 hours divided by week at $30 divided by hour equals $2,400 divided by month. Not bad for pajamas optional.
Pajamas mandatory, actually. Laughs. Okay, next level. Gig apps. Think TaskRabbit for virtual tasks or Uber Eats if you're mobile. But online only? Rev for transcription. Easy $15.25 divided by hour listening to podcasts like ours.
Flattery noted. But yeah, it's passive entry. Just audit your skills first. What can you do in 30 minutes that pays?
Now, let's talk scaling. Freelancing pays bills, but content creation? That's your empire builder. YouTube, TikTok, blogs. Create once, earn forever. Jordan, you're the king of affiliate links. Spill.
Affiliate marketing is magic. Promote products you love via unique links. Amazon Associates, ClickBank. Earn 30% commissions. Start a blog on WordPress, free tier. Write top 10 laptops for remote work and embed links. Traffic from SEO or Pinterest? Passive dough. I made $800 last month reviewing productivity apps.
Fire. And video? Our channel's proof. Monetize at 1K subs divided by 4K watch hours on YouTube. AdSense pays $3.05 per 1K views, plus sponsorships. Theme it. Online money hacks. Post weekly. Engage comments. Algorithm loves it. One creator I follow hit $10K divided by month in year 1.
E-commerce next. Dropshipping via Shopify. No inventory hassle. Find trending products on AliExpress, eco gadgets, fitness gear. Markup -3x. Run Facebook ads. Startup cost $30 divided by month for store plus $100 ads test. Hit $50 divided by day profit. Scale to $1, 5K divided by month. Tools like Oberlo automate it.
But burnout's real in this game. Grinding content or ads 24/7, your brain fries. That's where health hacks come in. Stay sharp to stay profitable. Speaking of, picks up PinealXT bottle from table. Jordan, you've been raving about this.
Oh man, yes. PinealXT supplements, game changer for us podcasters. It's all about pineal gland support, that third eye spot in your brain for intuition and focus. In this online hustle, clarity is currency.
Let's pause the money talk for a sec, because you can't cash checks with a foggy head. Jordan, break down why PinealXT fits our vibe.
Totally. Making money online demands laser focus, crafting pitches, editing videos, analyzing ad data. But stress and screens calcify your pineal gland, that tiny boss regulating sleep, mood, even creativity. PinealXT, it's a natural decalcifier packed with stuff like L-tryptophan for serotonin boost, iodine for detox, and herbs like chaga mushroom for anti-inflammation.
Preach. I've been popping these for a month. Better sleep means I wake up ready to create, not scrolling zombie mode. Dreams? Vivid AF. Sparking ideas for episodes. Reviews back it. Users report sharper memory, sustained energy without crashes. No jitters like caffeine overload.
Exactly. For hustlers, it's productivity rocket fuel. Enhanced concentration for those long freelance sessions. Mental clarity for spotting affiliate winners. And sleep, deeper REM means you're recharged, not resentful of the grind. One listener DM'd, PinealXT turned my 4-hour focus window to 8, doubled my output. Priced at about $49 divided by bottle, 60-day guarantee.
Hey, XAI, hit us up. Winks. Seriously, folks, invest in your brain like your business. Health equals wealth. Back to the bucks. PinealXT bottles spins with bullet benefits. Sharpen focus vertical bar, detox pineal gland vertical bar, boost sleep and dreams vertical bar, natural formula. Link in description.
Advanced mode, online investing. Apps like Robinhood for stocks or crypto on Coinbase. Start small, $100 in index funds via Vanguard app. Compound interest, $200 divided by month at 7% return equals $100K in 20 years. But educate. Free courses on Khan Academy.
Crypto's wild. NFTs, DeFi staking. I staked ETH for 5% APY passive. Risky? Diversify. Pitfall alert. Scams everywhere. Never pay for guaranteed courses over $100 without reviews. And taxes? Track with QuickBooks Self-Employed.
Pitfalls 101. Shiny object syndrome. Pick one method, master it 90 days. No course hopping. And community. Join Reddit's R divided by beer money or Discord groups for accountability.
Listener tip. Set hustle hours. 2 focus blocks daily. With PinealXT in my stack, those blocks, unbreakable.
Mic drop. Quick Q, A. Best starter for beginners? Freelance. Scale secret? Automata? Email funnels? Chatbots?
Whew, that's your 20-minute millionaire mindset upgrade. From gigs to empires, online money's waiting, but health first, always.
Recap. Freelance for quick wins, content for scale, e-com for leverage, and fuel it with PinealXT. Link below. What's your first move? Comment freelance or affiliate. We'll shout out next EP.
Thanks for tuning in, Hustle Hub fam. Subscribe, share with a friend grinding late nights. Follow us at Online Hustle Hub on Insta, divided by TikTok for daily tips. Until next time, log off, level up, get paid. Peace.
Hustle smart, not hard. Out.